They did not stop making bad bitches when they made you. Red bone slim, get shit, she only 22.
I swear I'm feeling great, all y'all lame niggas ain't the way. I swear my life ain't great, but it's getting better.
Yeah, we on our way there right now. We almost there, y'all. I know I just started the vlog, but shit, yeah. We finna see, we finna see what it's like. I tell you, I'm ready to get there. I'm trying to have fun. I'm already kind of running late because I had came from work, but I'm gonna let y'all know when I get there. Type deal. Let me know what y'all want to see as far as content wise. Yeah, we went on the boat right now. I ain't gonna fake it. People who I invite, I don't know where they said they sitting down. I'm not the type of nigga to be like, oh, where you at, this and that. But feel me? See, this is my thing. I don't socialize like that. So I'll be, hold on, my lips. Damn, y'all niggas ain't tell me my lips was ashy gang. I'm just cooling by myself, I ain't gonna lie. See, I need to start socializing and shit. That's my problem. That's what happens when I come around people who I really don't know. I got one homie here, but that's about it. You feel me? He talking to his bros. I don't want to be the nigga that's just always following him, you know? The type deal.
Yeah, man, it's one half of B&B boys. We got a whole bunch of hoes. We're finna get on the yacht.
Yeah.
We're gonna fuck them afterwards, obviously. The cameraman also,
Come on now.
is gonna fuck some hoes. Has a bitch.
I got a good bitch shit.
We're going viral.
Hey, y'all, you see the females over there? They alright. Which one you taking down? Over there.
Except the obvious.
You wouldn't take one for the team though?
Never in my fucking life.
I might go get some food. Nigga, I'm hungry. I pushed it all the way from work. I ain't gonna lie. Shit, I'm gonna be just straight liquor, no food in my system. Yeah, and on this boat, I don't even know what capacity would. Nigga finna have pure water and pure liquor in the system. I don't know who invited him. Let me stop talking. Let me stop talking, gang. People up here, people still getting on this motherfucker.
So do a cat?
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of motherfuckers in this shit. About leaning. Cat for the spark one. Cat for the spark one. Air in your hands.
Stop playing, nigga. I got this is my comfort animal.
Yeah.
Everywhere I go.
Get in some. I'm the driver of the boat. Do the vlog.
Tell the vlog real quick what's going on. Tell the vlog real quick what's going on.
Somebody in the bathroom fucking, man. This shit over with. They done cooked the whole yacht party an hour early.
Man.
Nigga!
Are they stuck in it or
All
something?
they have to do is wait. We don't know. We gotta get them out.
Yeah, party over already. Party already over because somebody was stuck in the bathroom and get stuck. That's crazy.
Fucked up the yacht, twin.
Man. Damn. There's always something going on. Females fighting. Y'all too thick to be arguing, man. Oh! What the fuck going on? Walking the straight line. You not walking in no straight line. You get a pull through. No. For real, drive safe. Guys, what the fuck am I saying? Dude was bent over eating trash.
What the hell is even that?
I feel bad, bro. Lord, please help him out. For real. Yeah, itching. He been itching that motherfucker for 5 minutes. That nigga been itching that motherfucker. Yeah, boy. That nigga like, fuck. Why my shit itching? Oh, he stopped now. He's like, fuck, man. That nigga head itching. Fuck. That was deep. Oh! That nigga itching the fuck out of his knee. Dog, the whole knee to the ankle. Oh my God. Yo, I'm not laughing at him, but dog, it's that bad. Yo, I'm down. What you want to eat, huh? Yeah, can I please have some barbecue?
Yes, thank you, bro.
My bad. Alright, thank you, baby. Alright then, shout out. Alright, y'all niggas finna end this vlog. I'm at the B&B right now. I ain't gonna lie, it's a smooth B&B. Hold on, lock the door. Damn, what the fuck? Thought somebody was holding the motherfucker.